This is a sound check of the Hadley mountain bike hub. So, things to know about the Hadley mountain bike hub. First of all, it's side load adjustable. Second of all, it is titanium driver body, standard bearings, not proprietary. It is 72 points of engagement, which is 5 degrees. And it's a really robust hub. The sound, not super quiet, but also not super loud. And as with all hubs, it will get a little bit louder once the lubrication starts to break down. Has a fantastic seal mechanism. That's the Hadley mountain bike hub.